This video is a demonstration on how to upload your maintenance schedule on the Sigilo Fleet Management Enterprise website. After entering your credentials into the website, click on the Setup menu and click on Upload Maintenance Schedules. Now you're going to download the template and open it in an Excel spreadsheet. Once you have the template open, you could enter in your equipment asset number, your event name, which will be the names that are listed in the app, or you may create your own and a new event will be registered for that. You're going to enter in oil change. This column is to specify if it's an inspection, repair, or maintenance event. The schedule type is going to be either miles, time, or hours. And the interval is to specify the interval in which this is scheduled at. This column is to specify when you want the next schedule to be done at. For your next event, you may also enter in the asset number and say that we're going to schedule an inspection this time. So we're going to inspect the safety. For this schedule type, I'm going to be using time, and we're going to do a yearly inspection, so I'll put in 365. Next done, next year. Now I want to do another piece of equipment. The asset number is 2, and we are going to do an oil filter event. This is a maintenance event. We are going to use hours, 200 interval, and next done at 200. Once you're done filling out your spreadsheet, go ahead and save the file. Now go back to the site and you are free to upload your Excel spreadsheet. Once you have uploaded your spreadsheet, you may hit submit and it will display in the table below. If everything is correctly presented, press save and your schedule will be updated on the website. That's how you upload your maintenance schedules using the Sigilo Fleet Management Enterprise website.